Spending time in nature alone, I know that nature is man's greatest teacher. Nature and himself, or herself, for the woman. It's like I can come out here and be alone and be bothered by nobody and not pick up on anybody else's bullshit and be mine and be centered within myself and get inspired by myself and identify my great ideas to myself and not conform to the matrix, man. I am slowly stepping outside that mofo. I am here to recognize my own power, my own words, my own being, to step into that and embody that in every way possible. And for now I share, for now I fast, for now I be still, for now I time out, so I can time back in later in life. You hear the birdies hear you. Nature, water, wind, fire, earth, trees, heart. It all fills your heart. Everything is conscious. Everything is aware. How much more aware can you embody? How much more awareness, how much more divine consciousness would you like to embody for yourself? For me, there's no limit. It's limitless. And every single day, I wake up a little bit more to myself. May peace be with you.